Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you subscribed to my channel? If you are, then thank you so much. If you're not, then try it out and you'll love it. Today's video is a swatch and review video of one of my favorite products, which is a Makeup Forever Smoky Lash Mascara. The color I have is number 5, which is an indigo purple or an indigo blue. The brush is rather soft. You have a lot of product in it. I'm about to apply it to my lashes, which don't have anything on them, and the natural color is black. So guys, here is the volume, the length, and the color given by the mascara, and the curl. Just before I start my review guys, the mascara that I have shown you isn't new. I've used it for many times already, so it is how it will actually look and behave most of the time. As for my opinion on the formula, as I have said, it is one of my favorite products and I love everything about it. It gives the perfect volume, the perfect length with just a couple of swipes. It doesn't crumble, it gives a great color and it gives a beautiful curl. The quality is great, the mascara lasts really long, meaning that it doesn't dry down fast. The brush itself isn't plastic, it's a classic brush. To me that's a plus. I don't really like plastic brushes, but that's individual of course. So guys, I would definitely recommend this product. Its only minus is the price, but I really think it's worth it, especially if you have short lashes and you are struggling to find the right mascara to curl them and not to crumble throughout the day. I think this one is the perfect solution. And on top of that, the Smoky Lash Mascara also has a choice of colors, so if you love colored mascara like I do, you can also pick something there. If you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye loves!